Okay, here is another classic soul number written by Billy Stewart. It's called "Sittin' in the Park." It's done by a few other artists. Georgie Fame, British organ player, musician. But Billy Stewart wrote it. And it's pretty simple chord progression. It's a G major 7th, A minor 7th, B minor 7th, A minor 7th, and then a quick D to kind of resolve each line. And then there's a bridge, so we'll just get into it. Pretty quick one here. But the cool thing, there's a real cool intro that's sort of picked. So the intro goes. Okay, over the G major 7th. Sitting in the park, waiting for you, ooh, ooh, John. And that's really the progression for the the intro, the verse, the chorus, and then there's a bridge. But yes, I'm sitting right here, waiting for you, my dear, wondering if you ever gonna show up. So you can play the G major 7th like that. You can play it up here. You can play it here. But that's it. It's, G major 7th, A minor 7th, B minor 7th, A minor 7th to a D. You can play minors instead of minor 7ths. You can play a G instead of a G major 7th. But somehow that major and minor 7th gives it that jazzy sound, or sounds pretty cool. Then the bridge is it goes to a C, or again a C major 7th. Why? Tell me why? B minor 7th. Oh, A minor 7th. Wanna know why, G? Why? Again, G to an A minor or an A minor 7th, and then you're back into it. Sitting in a park, waiting for you. Ooh, ooh, shine. Little high to sing. I often tune down a step to attempt it. But that's it. Pretty cool song. Nice intro there. So good luck with that one.